Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be learning about looping. Now, looping is one of those things that are designed to make your life easier. So let's elaborate on that. Let's say, for example, that you want to print Mora codes is awesome 5 times. So you basically have to print the copy and paste this 5 times, right? Okay, what if you want to print this more than that? What if you want to print it like a million times, right? Well, basically, you would have to copy and paste this a couple of times. And this is where looping comes in, right? If you want to do something repeatedly, and it's the same action over and over again, without having to do it manually. And the first type of loops that we have is called a for loop. And it has a syntax as follows. For, and then something called an iterator. I'm going to denote that with the letter I. In, range, a range of number between, for example, 0 till 10. Okay? And then we add our colons, print, Mora codes is awesome. Okay? So what is happening here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this repeated 10 times, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? What is this I? What is this in? What is this range? So basically what this iterator is, it takes on these values, starting from 0 to 10. Think of this as Mystique from X-Men, right? The woman that shapeshifts. So at the first loop, it is equal to 0. And at the second loop, it is equal to 1. And in the third loop, it is equal to, and so on. So let's print I out so you can have a better understanding with that, what I mean. You see, have a look here on the right side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way until 9. So this number here, in every loop, it takes this format. Anything that is in this indented line here gets repeated 10 times. Okay? In case you're confused about this 0 and this 9, let's just make it something like this. Okay? 1 and 11. What's 11 minus 1? You've guessed it, it's just 10. Okay? So it basically takes the lower bound, which is the 1, and it doesn't take the upper bound, which is the 11. Anyway, so the syntax is for, and then an iterator. You can name it however you like. I just choose to name it I. And then you have in, and then a range. A range is basically specifies the number of times that you're going to do it, and it starts from a lower bound that is included, and then up to an upper bound. Once that is done, whatever you want to repeat, you just put it here underneath it in an indented format.